So what is my plan? There is foxes living nearby, so I don't want them to get the rubbish bag. So if I had this hook up here and I would hang the bag and then I could step onto that one to put it up, would that be a solution? Doable? Huh? Or is this just stupid? Because it looks stupid, it'll smell stupid. Whenever I get outside the house, it'll smell stupid. Yeah, I'm not doing so. I rather do this. I throw this one away because it gets onto my nerves. I don't want to burn this one, look at it anymore. So further on, I'll just buy smaller rubbish bags. So the fun throwing things away will just, not be as great anymore because I just love to throw it all away. Plastics, paper, anything. Just I'll check if I got something else that I could throw away right away. I'm hearing something. The cats were fighting. So I was like, that plastic can go. And then also this stupid knife has to go. If you ever see me camping out, I will have this knife with me and maybe these two. But, now that I have this, I don't really need... This is bamboo, right? But how do they glue this bamboo together? If I eat some hot whatever, I'm gonna, eat the glue as well. It doesn't smell bad though. I don't know. So I might take this one with me, so when I go out I can eat salad with bamboo instead of, the plastic forks that I often ask for when I'm hiking out. So I bought this new it's once again something you need to Google. But if this is bamboo, it's not. It said bamboo, so I went like, oh yeah, but they glue it. Bamboo fibers, they don't cut it. So I want a, pure wood something and not plastic. So this plastic goes as well. Stay. Ah! That bucket it was that fell over. That one I heard. Of course. Now I found the reason. Let's put it in like this, so it cannot fall over anymore. Okay, so that's my weird doings, like, checking for what was the reason for that noise. But now I found it. Good. So there is not really too much I can put in here. Shall I keep the spoon as well? Because with a fork you can also eat pudding. You don't need a spoon, but a fork you need for salad, and that one doesn't serve you. Okay, so it's bye for now.